I'm gonna break down a few fights from Rebel Horse Knockout 002 that personally stood out to me.
First one that I want to talk about is Mumit versus Mahadi. Both of the fighters I know personally. আমি আগে আমি মাহাদির সাথে কম্পিটও করছি. I lost. And Mumit is a amazing young talent. He's very talented. Skill for skill, one of the best martial artists there in the country. And Mahadi is known for his power. And this fight is a perfect example for why you should always respect your opponent, especially with a power puncher like Mahadi. The way Mohit started, like with a flying knee without any setup, was very risky uh, from his part. You're flying in the mid-air, কোনো base নাই, against a power puncher like him. Timing miss হলে যা হওয়ার তাই হইলো. এটা কোনো criticism না, by the way. I'm just taking this chance to educate the audience as well. যে why you should respect your opponent always. এই লেভেলে অ্যাকচুয়ালি পাওয়ারকে এত চান্স দেওয়া লাগে না. এই ভুলটা আমিও কিন্তু করছিলাম. I'm not above this. So overall, it was a good fight. I am very sure Momit will come back stronger.